Hey there, design lovers, and welcome back to the Daily House Ideas. Today we're diving into something truly special, the art of quiet luxury in a summer farmhouse home. Imagine soft linen, aged wood, sun-warmed stone, and a sense of calm that wraps around you like a gentle breeze. This is European summer living at its finest, understated, intentional, and breathtakingly beautiful. If this sounds like your dream home, you're going to love this video. Hit that like button, drop a comment telling us your favorite farmhouse color, and don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a single design moment. Your farmhouse story begins the moment someone sees it from the street. Think whitewashed or limewash painted walls, that soft, chalky finish that looks like it belongs somewhere in the French countryside. Pair it with natural stone accents, a gabled roofline, and aged wooden shutters in a muted sage or warm taupe. Add climbing greenery like ivy or wisteria cascading along the facade, and you've created something timeless. Window boxes overflowing with lavender and white blooms complete the look. The key here is restraint. Every element should feel earned, not overdone. Before you even open the front door, the journey to it should feel intentional. A crushed gravel or aged flagstone pathway lined with ornamental grasses, rosemary hedges, or boxwood topiaries signals that this is a home designed with care. Your front porch, even a modest one, is your first design canvas. Think a natural jute doormat, a pair of matching terracotta pots with trailing herbs, a simple wooden bench with a linen cushion, and a lantern with a warm amber bulb. Understated, welcoming, and effortlessly chic. Step inside and let the entryway do the heavy lifting beautifully. Start with a slim shaker-style coat and hat rack in matte white or antique cream, hung at eye level with simple iron hooks. Below it, a low shoe cabinet in warm oak wood doubles as a surface for a small ceramic bowl for keys and a petite bud vase. Add a vintage-inspired oval mirror with a thin wooden frame to bounce light around the space. Layer a runner rug in a subtle stripe or herringbone pattern over natural stone tiles, and you have an entryway that's both practical and poetic. Every great entryway has a seating moment, and in a quiet luxury farmhouse, that means a slatted wooden bench or an upholstered settee in oatmeal linen. Keep it tight and purposeful. Style the space with a small woven basket underneath for shoes or umbrellas, and above the mirror, consider a single dried eucalyptus wreath or a slim shelf holding a vintage clock and a small candle. Stick to a palette of warm whites, naturals, and soft muted greens. Tip: your entryway should smell as good as it looks. A subtle reed diffuser with a cedar or a linen scent works beautifully here. Welcome to the heart of the home. Your farmhouse living room in the quiet luxury style is all about texture over color. Begin with a linen or cotton slipcover sofa in warm ivory or stone, the kind that looks effortlessly lived in. Layer a chunky knit throw and an assortment of cushions in muted terracotta, dusty sage, and soft cream. Anchor the seating area with a jute rug, and introduce a reclaimed wood coffee table with a tray holding a candle cluster, a small linen-bound book, and a single stem in a slim glass vase. Natural light is your best accessory. In a quiet luxury living room, every piece of furniture earns its place. Choose an armchair in a tone-on-tone boucle or textured fabric, something tactile and inviting. A slim console table behind the sofa in bleached oak adds depth, and a surface for a table lamp with a linen shade. On the walls, think shiplap painted in a warm off-white like Swiss coffee or old white, and hang a single large-scale botanical print or an abstract in muted earthy tones. Avoid clutter. 3 carefully chosen objects style a shelf better than 20 decorative pieces ever could. Your dining room is where quiet luxury truly comes alive. Ground the space with a long, solid oak farmhouse dining table, the kind with visible grain and a slightly worn patina that feels like it's been passed down through generations. Surround it with a mix of wooden chairs and an upholstered bench in linen or boucle. For summer table decor, think a linen runner down the center, mismatched vintage-style ceramic plates, and a low centerpiece of fresh garden herbs, white blooms, and beeswax taper candles in aged brass holders. Warm, generous, and quietly magnificent. Lighting transforms a dining room from ordinary to extraordinary. Hang a statement pendant light, perhaps a rattan or woven seagrass drum shade, or an aged iron chandelier with exposed Edison bulbs, low over the table to create an intimate glow. Style your sideboard or buffet with a pair of linen-shaded table lamps, a decorative ceramic bowl, and a small potted olive tree in a terracotta planter. Choose tableware in earthy, hand-thrown ceramics. Imperfect edges and matte glazes are the hallmark of refined farmhouse taste. Linen napkins, always loosely folded, never stiff, complete the table with ease. A quiet luxury farmhouse kitchen is where practicality and beauty exist in perfect harmony. Start with shaker-style cabinetry in a soft sage, dusty blue, or warm grayish, colors that feel deeply European and deeply calming. Open shelving above the counter displays heirloom ceramic bowls, linen-wrapped cookbooks, and small herb plants in terracotta pots. Choose a matte black or brushed brass faucet over a deep farmhouse sink, and top counters with honed Calacatta marble or a butcher block insert for warmth. Every surface should feel both useful and beautiful. That's the farmhouse kitchen promise. Appliances don't have to interrupt your design story. They can enhance it. Choose a panel-ready refrigerator that blends into your cabinetry, or go for a retro-style fridge in cream or soft sage for a charming European touch. A classic cream or matte black range-style stove anchors the kitchen with personality and presence. And your coffee corner, oh, this deserves special attention. A compact, elegant espresso machine in brushed silver or matte black, styled on a small wooden tray with a ceramic mug collection, a small glass jar of sugar cubes, and a tiny bud vase. This is the corner you'll return to every single morning. The family room is where comfort takes center stage, and in a quiet luxury farmhouse, even the television doesn't break the spell. Mount your flat-screen TV on a shiplap feature wall, painted in a deep warm white or a moody charcoal, framed by built-in wooden shelves styled with books, baskets, and potted greenery. A large sectional in oatmeal performance fabric, piled with textured cushions and a chunky throw, invites everyone to sink in and stay. Add a vintage-style wooden media console below the TV, and choose warm-toned floor lamps to replace harsh overhead lighting in the evenings. In today's home, one room often wears many hats, and a quiet luxury farmhouse handles this beautifully. Carve out a corner for a compact yet characterful desk. Think a slim wooden writing desk in antique oak with tapered legs, paired with a linen-upholstered wooden chair. Style it with a small vintage desk watch with a leather strap, a single ceramic pen holder, and a compact Bluetooth radio in a retro wooden casing for gentle background music. Just beside it, design your reading nook with a deep armchair, a floor lamp, a side table, and a small stack of linen-covered books, your personal sanctuary. Your reading nook should feel like a gentle exhale. Choose a curved or wingback armchair in a warm boucle or aged leather, something that holds you. Layer a sheepskin throw over the arm, and place a small side table within reach for your tea, your journal, or a single candle. A slim built-in bookshelf beside it, filled with a curated edit of books and a few objects, a small ceramic figurine, a dried floral stem, a smooth river stone, keeps the space feeling personal and grounded. Tip: face your reading chair toward a window whenever possible. Natural light and good design are life's greatest luxuries. Your bedroom in the quiet luxury farmhouse is a sanctuary above all else. Begin with a statement bed frame, solid oak, a painted wooden panel headboard, or a simple iron frame in matte black. Dress your bed in layers. A crisp white linen duvet, a cotton waffle blanket folded at the foot, and Euro-sized pillows in linen shams for that effortless, hotel but better feeling. Choose bedside tables in warm wood with a single drawer, topped with a linen-shaded lamp, a small ceramic dish, and a single fresh stem. Keep the palette soft, cream, warm white, and the gentlest blush or sage as an accent. The atmosphere of your farmhouse bedroom is made in the details. Hang linen or cotton voile curtains that fall to the floor, allowing light to filter through in the softest, most golden way. Add a vintage-style full-length mirror leaning against the wall, a small wooden tray on the dresser for your jewelry, and a petite perfume bottle, and a woven basket for throws. Under the bed, a simple natural fiber rug grounds the space. For scent, a beeswax candle with a light floral or bergamot note placed on the dresser creates a mood you'll look forward to every evening. Rest well. You've earned it. Your farmhouse bathroom whispers spa, not shouts it. For the shower, choose large format natural stone tiles or a soft-toned subway tile with a wide grout line in warm gray. Fit matte black or aged brass fixtures, a rain shower head overhead, and a handheld beside it for both function and elegance. At your vanity or wash basin, a vessel sink in white ceramic or hand-painted earthenware atop a slim wooden vanity unit feels artisanal and intentional. Add a small round mirror with a thin wooden frame, a soap dish in aged stone, a linen hand towel, and a sprig of dried lavender in a glass vase. Yes, even your garage can be quietly beautiful. Start with the garage door itself. A carriage-style door in painted wood or a wood-look steel panel in a warm charcoal or deep green anchors the exterior design and gives the facade a completed, cohesive look. Inside, lean into open wooden shelving for storage, with labeled canvas bins and galvanized metal canisters for tools. A pegboard painted in matte white, hung with hooks for garden tools and bicycles, adds function without chaos. Add a vintage-style wall lantern outside the garage door and a small potted boxwood on either side, elegant touches that tie it all together. Your patio is where summer farmhouse living truly blooms. Choose a dining or seating arrangement in natural teak or powder-coated iron with cushions in an outdoor linen or canvas in soft cream, olive, or faded terracotta. Define the space with a large outdoor rug in a simple stripe or natural weave, and hang string lights or a lantern above the table for evening magic. Potted lavender, rosemary, and white geraniums fill corners with scent and softness. A small stone or concrete fire pit at the far end extends your patio season well into the cooler months. This is the space where summer becomes a feeling. And there you have it, design friends, a complete journey through the beauty of quiet luxury in a summer farmhouse home. From that first glimpse of limewash walls and climbing wisteria, through every lovingly styled room, all the way out to your lavender-scented patio. Every corner of this home tells the same story, that true luxury is never about excess. It's about intention, quality, and the warmth of a space that genuinely feels like you. Start small, one beautiful linen cushion, one ceramic mug on a wooden tray, and let your home grow from there. If this video inspired you, please give it a big thumbs up, share it with a friend who loves beautiful homes, leave a comment telling us which room was your favorite, and don't forget to subscribe to the Daily House Ideas for your weekly dose of design inspiration. We'll see you in the next one.